Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm Excessive2, and today we are going to be installing the Canards on the Veloster. I know I have these little ones, but I want to do bigger ones, and it's gonna go like this, and I am so excited to put them on. And I want to show you guys real quick some other minor mods that I did before I did the Canards. But first, let me show you guys a couple of clips from last night's meet that Excessive Lifestyles hosted in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those little clips of the meet. There was more people who came after, but it was too dark to film, so I did not. But let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I did wrap them white. So, like, the outliers of it white. It was black when I got it, so I did do them white. And they're all ready to go. I did take off the old Canards, and these I'm actually going to drill. And I'm going to drill them with self-drilling screws. They did not send me enough of these. These are not even self-drilling, so I'm just going to do self-drilling. And I bought my own screws that look like that. So before I start drilling, I'm going to put 3M tape and drill too, so that it has maximum strength and it does not fly off. So let's get right into it. But yeah guys, so before showing you guys, or starting the Canards, I want to show you guys my amber delete that I did. And there's no more orange. I had to take off the white vinyl eyelid. So I did do an amber delete, and it's through premium auto styling that you can get them from. And I did a full blackout, and it was pretty easy. You just don't want to do it in the sunlight. You want to stick it on in the shade in a cool area with a dry install. So yeah, there's the amber delete. There's no more orange on the car. And now I'm going to show you guys the white pinstripes that I did on the diffuser. I want to ask you guys if I should do the full pinstripe or just on the blades of the diffuser. Let me know in the comments below. And I did also do the pinstripe right there and on the splitter and the front splitter. So yeah, let's begin doing the Canards. Alright guys, that is the first Canard that I just installed. I don't know how I'm gonna do the second one. I don't know if I should do the second one. I'm still gonna think about it because it's not fitting on my car properly if I do the second one. But hopefully I can do the second one. If not, the first one does look good still. Let's look at it at a different angle. That looks amazing, and let's try to do the other ones. So I did drill into my bumper, and I did do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws into the bumper, and we are full sanding it on this channel. We are not gonna just use 3M tape on a Canard. We are gonna drill into the bumper, so we're gonna full sand it. Alright guys, there it is. The first set of canards are done. I really don't know if I should keep the one or do two on each side. I don't know, man. This is a hard decision, but it looks really good with the one. Alright guys, I just finished installing the canards, and I did end up doing two, and it looks 10 times more aggressive on the front end. I did drill them in so that they will not fly off, and look how it looks. Guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and let me do a little montage of all the minor mods that I did on the car. Alright guys, there it is. I think that's going to wrap up today's video. Let's do a quick summary of what the minor mods I did on my car. And it is always the minor mods that make the big difference. So we got the Canards that I did get off of Amazon. Usually I would not get any car parts off of Amazon, but they did not have many Canards for the Veloster, which kind of sucks in any other place. They did have some, but they were like, I don't know if I like them. I like that style better. So yeah, those Canards are the ones I got from Amazon, and they are universal, and I did wrap part of them white. So then I do have the Amber Delete, which I've been wanting to do for about 2 years now, but I couldn't find any place, and then I finally found Premium Auto Styling, and they did a good job with pre-cutting it for it to not look orange anymore. The only bad thing is I had to take off the vinyl eyelids that go around right here, but eventually I would want to buy real eyelids and paint them white. And then for the last minor mod, I did do the pinstripe on the rear diffuser, as you can see, and it looks amazing because it is the white blades and it matches the white theme of my car. And there you go. There you have it for today's video. The Veloster looks extra aggressive and it's all clean. I hope you guys liked the clips in the beginning of the video with the car meet, and this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm Excessive 2. Bye.